Hey guys, so today's video will be a try on clothing haul from SHEIN. All the items in this video are from SHEIN, so they'll be listed down below in the description box. And also I'm changing up the way how I usually film my hauls. I'm actually going to show you guys how I will style the outfit, or like how I would wear it on, you know, for school or just for any occasion. So yeah, all the items will be linked down below in the description box. And also I have some promo codes, so make sure you guys check that out. SHEIN is also having a huge Black Friday sale, so be sure you check out their website on the 23rd, the day I uploaded. So yeah, and save some coins. I think that's all I have to say, so without further ado, let's get on to the video. So the first outfit I got from SHEIN is this fur coat, which is so nice and soft and comfy. I love it, and I feel like it was like really affordable compared to other websites that have these on for like $100. I'm pretty sure SHEIN was like only like 40 or 30 bucks. And also I just paired this with a black bandeau top, and also keep in mind I live in Florida, so it doesn't really get cold. You know, so I just dress however, like it's like 60 one day and then the next day it's like 80 degrees. So yeah, it barely get cold here. And then I just paired some gold accessory. These necklaces are from Boohoo. And also these pants are from SHEIN. They're like these jogger looking, which I think looks so chic and nice. It also come with this chain, which I think is like really trendy and cool looking. And then I just paired them with my, you know, glossy type of boots from Zaful. And I just think that finish off the looks. And I also post a picture of this on Instagram. So if you're wondering where my outfit came from, that's where it came from. So this is the next item I got from SHEIN, which I absolutely love. It's just this long kimono, and it's also like satin, which I think pull off the looks together. Although it doesn't look appropriate for winter, I still love it. It looks amazing, and I definitely wore this out a couple times already, and I absolutely love it. There's like this cut on the side, and it's just a really nice kimono. And also, you guys are wondering, I'm looking at the mirror. Kimono look. It's also like a kind of like a big sleeve on the side. Let me scoot back a little. So here's the next outfit. My top is from SHEIN and my bottoms are also from SHEIN. They're kind of loose. I mean, I'm pretty petite, so it's really hard for me to find pants that actually fit me. I really like this top. It looks very vintage and at the same time stylish. The last item I got from SHEIN is this tweeted skirt, and I really like the pattern on it. And I just paired with this oversized sweater, and I think it looks so well together. And once again, I live in Florida, it barely get cold, so I just want to look cute for, you know, the season. So here's the last outfit. As you can see, I paired with an oversized white sweater from Boohoo. My skirt is from SHEIN, and I absolutely love it. It's like this cool pleated pattern. And then I'm just pairing with some black knee-high boots, and that's the fit. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Like always, if you like any of the items, they'll be linked down below in the description box. I think that's all I had to say. If you have any video requests, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!